Okay, so I just found out about this tool called Claude Composer that radically changes how you can interact with Claude Code.
Oh, for real? What does it do exactly? Sounds intriguing.
It's like a wrapper around Claude Code, and it handles a lot of the automation for you, especially with dialogue permissions.
Wait, so it can automatically approve dialogues? That must save a ton of time.
Yeah, it uses something called rule sets to define which actions to allow. It's super customizable.
Oh, wow. So you can create your own rules? That's really interesting because it would tailor the experience specifically for your projects.
Exactly. You can set up project-specific rule sets that take precedence over global ones.
What's an example of how those rule sets work?
Well, let's say you're working on a back-end project. You can create a rule set that, allows all file edits, but excludes certain files.
Oh, that's cool. So you wouldn't accidentally modify critical files like your environment settings.
Right? And Claude Composer even offers built-in rules for security like safe, cautious, and this wild one called YOLO mode.
YOLO mode. That's wild. What does it actually do?
It accepts all operations without asking for confirmation. Basically, it's for when you're feeling adventurous.
Yikes. I can see how that could either be liberating or just dangerous.
Totally. It requires a lot of trust in your workflow not to wreck things.
Speaking of trust, how does it handle permissions when you start in a specific directory?
Oh, it has this roots concept. If you start in a trusted directory, it auto-accepts prompts about file trust levels.
That gives me chills. So it's like a whole new way to think about running commands safely.
Definitely. It could save so much friction during development. Just think how much quicker you could work.
And all those customizable options mean you can adapt the tool to your specific workflows.
Right? Plus, you have environment variable support, so you can tweak settings on the fly.
This is blowing my mind. I didn't even think about adjusting environment variables that way.
And it gets better. You can chain rule sets and tool sets to fine-tune exactly what tools Claude can use.
Wait, correlate that back to the project standards. I could see managing team protocols seamlessly.
Exactly. You can create a really cohesive environment tailored for your whole team.
I love that. So it's not just beneficial for individuals, but entire teams.
For sure. Plus, if you're working in a larger project, it brings in a layer of control.
But how does it handle conflicts if two rule sets contradict each other?
Great question. The later rules overwrite the earlier ones, giving you that flexibility.
So you can create these nuanced systems that evolve as your project grows. That's neat.
Absolutely. It's like they've put power in your hands to enhance your workflow dynamically.
And considering the complexities of modern projects, that's super valuable.
Totally. Just imagine the collaboration possibilities. It could streamline everything.
Oh, and all this with minimal interruptions. Yes, please.
Exactly. You could focus more on coding instead of micromanaging the setup.
I'm seriously considering integrating this into my workflow. Feels like a game changer.
Oh, you should. And just think how adaptable you could be in any coding environment.
This kind of automation really aligns with the future of development. I'm on board.
Before we wrap up, what do you think is the real takeaway here?
I think it's about embracing flexibility and automation while keeping control. It's empowering.
Totally. And the ability to craft your own experience just feels so crucial in our projects today.
Right? It's all about designing tools that fit our needs instead of forcing us into a box.
That's a powerful perspective. I love how this conversation unfolded.
Me too. I've got some real insights to ponder now. Can't wait to try it.
Same here. Here's to better coding experiences ahead.